Hi, I'm Mandy Morris. I'm a licensed professional counselor and certified EMDR clinician. And today I'm going to show you guys a very simple but very effective technique for when you feel anxious, overwhelmed, or just really stuck in an emotion that you feel like you can't get out of. Research has shown that when we cross our extremities, so our arms and our legs, over our midline, it actually sends different signals to our brain that allows our nervous system to calm down. This technique is called the butterfly hug, and all you're gonna do is you're gonna put your hands like this, palms facing inward, link your thumbs together, and just rest your palms on your chest. I like to go right under my collarbone, kind of fan out near your shoulders. There's two little soft spots right there, these little divots, and these are pressure points. It's really good to do this technique tapping on those pressure points, but you don't have to. You can tap anywhere. If it's more comfortable for you to be out like this, you can do that, or to be up here or down here. Either way is fine, but I like to do it like this. When you feel anxious, just kind of notice your distress levels on a scale of 1 to 10, where 10 is the most distressed possible, 1 completely neutral. Check in with how high you are on that scale. And so let's say you're at a 10 and you notice that, so you're going to get into the butterfly hug position and just begin tapping. You want to make sure you try to relax your body as much as you can when you're doing this, and don't forget to breathe. And you're just going to do this for about 10 or 20 seconds. Then you're going to stop and take a breath, let it go, and notice if you feel a little calmer, a little more relaxed. Check in on that scale again, see if you've come down at all. And then this time just hold one positive thought in your mind, or one affirmation like, I'm safe, I'm okay, I'm good enough. And just hold that in your mind and begin tapping again. And take a breath and let it go. And you're just going to do this back and forth for as many times as you need to, doing 10 to 20, maybe 30-second increments, taking a breath at the end of it, checking in with how you feel. This is a great one to do right before bedtime because you can really focus your attention on the tapping and get out of what any thoughts are going on in your mind that are keeping you from sleeping. There's more ways to tap as well if you can't do the butterfly hug, any sort of bilateral tapping. So, you know, if your hands are down by your sides, you can tap on the sides of your legs back and forth. If you're ever in a panic attack and it's a full-on visceral anxiety episode, this technique called the pretzel is really going to be helpful in some sessions with my clients when they've been talking about something and start to get really overwhelmed or a panic attack happens. We will sit and hold this together, and usually within a minute, minute and a half, they've calmed down enough to not feel in that panic. So you can't see my legs right now, but what you're going to do is you're going to cross one ankle over the other, and then you're going to go like this, and then just fold your arms in on your chest. It's kind of like you're giving yourself a weird hug. You're just going to sit back and relax. And you're just going to hold this for like a minute or two. It's a really effective move when you're in a bind and you really need to get your nervous system to calm down. So I hope these tips are helpful. Stay well.